feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Voice is getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, why we gotta feel amplified. Staying till the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. Was to tell you that I need you. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
So I just did a couple of ab exercises and just like 2 things of my legs and booty. I got to the gym a little bit late, so I'm not going to do as long as I normally do because I don't have enough time. But I really hope you guys enjoy this little mini gym workout, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys. What's up, everybody? So I just left the gym and I decided to do a little bit more of like a leg workout, but sadly I didn't film it because down at the bottom of my gym there's 2 floors and it was kind of crowded and I didn't want people to like stare at me, so I'm still getting used to this whole vlog thing. But anyway, I left now and I'm here at my grandma's house because she has some soup for me, and I'm just going to quickly go in and get it. Then I'm going to be home and that is it. But I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye! So let me turn on. I think she's here, I don't know, but we're going to see today. We go through the garage door, you guys. Oh, shit. Grandma! Hi!
Then you sigh loudly, and then you say,
Hola, abuela! I scared her. I scared my grandma. Abuela! No, you didn't? You didn't hear me drop my phone out there? We don't want that. Look how ugly she is.
I can smell your perfume.
Oh, let me look in there.
I don't know if I have any cereal or not.
What's that cornbread looking like right there?
You use cornbread?
I love cornbread. Hawaiian rolls. What, bitch? What? Hawaiian. Okay, so I'm back at my house now. I just left my grandma's house. But every time when I go to my grandma's house, I do like a little mini grocery shopping because she has just a lot of stuff. And it's just her now in the house. But it's like every time when our family goes there, we just always do like a little grocery take-in haul. But let me show you guys what she gave to me. So quickly, so we got 2 bags of these King Hawaiian rolls. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I'll fuck with y'all. If you don't, y'all still cool, but y'all need to try these. So I got 2 bags of those. Well, she gave me 2 bags of those. And no, this is not sour cream. And if you have the family like I do, or the grandma that I do, you would know that every time when you see these containers out in the house, it's never what they are. Like, she has like pasta in like a butter container. Like, you have to like pick your, you know, what you want. But in here, this is potato salad. I think she gave me 2. Yeah. So she gave me 2 potato salads. She gave me some. Well, I asked for it too, and because she already had a lot. But I asked for these little peanut butter things for like in the morning or when I'm heading to work out or something. Excuse my nails, they're a hot mess. But yeah, and then got some toothpaste because the bitch ran out, and I did not feel like going to Kroger or Walmart because the dollar store by our house is closed. They close at 10. So I just asked her for toothpaste. Then I got 3 of the Nature Valley Crunchy Pecan Crunch Bars. I never had this kind before yet, so I'm going to go ahead and give those a try. So she gave me 3 of those. She gave me a whole new thing of Pringles. I'm not going to, well, I'm probably going to eat a couple of them because you can never say no to Pringles. These or the sour cream and onions, but I'm probably just going to give these mostly to my boyfriend, but God forbid I'm going to sneak some in. So that, she gave me 3, the other one is in there somewhere, but she gave me 3 oranges, but she gave me some peas. But the main reason that I came was for her pea soup. Now, a lot of people are like, ugh, like pea soup, but a lot of people like it. And when it comes to my grandma's pea soup, she just puts her seasonings, her damn foot in it. I don't know what it is, but like her pea soup, her bean soup, her potato soup, vegetable soup, homemade chicken noodle soup, everything is just so good. So that's what's in this container right here, just sealed up extra. But yeah, that's the main reason why I went to her house, because she made us pea soup and then she just gave me all this stuff. So thank you, Grandma. I never, you know, am disappointed when I come to your house because you feed me. But I appreciate it though, everything that she does for me. But yeah, but other than that, I am home. And I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, get ready for bed, or possibly eat the soup. I don't know. But I will go ahead and see you guys next time in the vlog. Bye, you guys.